We are Joel and Michelle. We sold everything for a lifetime of adventure, and then the world shut down. Join us as we navigate nomadic life and traveling as the world opens back up. Okay, what time is it, baby?
Food time.
It's duck time. It is time to cook the old duck, because that is what we're doing tonight. Not a turkey, a duck. Duck is good. It's my favorite thing ever. So,
really good.
yeah, so this is our duck. He kind of looks a little, he's looking a little flat, you see, but he's all seasoned and ready to go. We just forgot to get something I usually put like some kind of aromatics in there, in the cavity, of like turkeys and ducks and things like that. But this one's a little flat, so.
Well, and we forgot to get twine.
Yeah, and we forgot to get twine, so I can't like tie up the little legs. I like to do that too. So what I'm doing is I'm preheating the oven right now. We are actually going to go to 500 degrees. And then after that, we're going to put this bad boy in and cook him for about, usually I do like 30 minutes, but I'm gonna keep it on probably like maybe 20.
Yeah.
Just until it starts to brown on the breast. And then we will take it out. We'll put a little breastplate on and then throw it back in, drop it at 350, and then cook it the rest of the way. So that's the secret way I cook turkeys, and it's amazing, and I've never had a complaint. You can cook turkeys crazy fast. Well, it works for all fowl. So you can do the same thing with ducks, and that's what we're gonna do today. I'm thinking it's gonna take about an hour and 15, because this is not a big one. It's only like 5.5 pounds. So I usually cook like turkeys, like 12-pound turkeys, for like 2.5 hours. So the problem is I don't have a thermometer. So the Verbo that we're staying at here in Siesta Key does not have a thermometer, and I forgot to order one or go pick one up. So I'm just guessing this time. So we're gonna go an hour 15, and then I'll maybe poke it a little bit and just see what the color of the juice looks like. And then I might slightly overcook my duck today, but just on the, make sure it's not underdone. We don't want it too underdone. I don't mind a good medium, rare duck or something. But anyway, enough jabbing on. Get to cooking.
Enough jabbing on.
I don't know what I'm saying.
What is jabbing?
I don't know.
That's a new word.
I don't.
Jabbing.
Yeah. You learned something new today.
Recording.
Wait, I'll give you Okay, so what we're doing now is salt, peppered, and of course oiled up breastplate. So this is basically just make a square out of aluminum foil, and you just gotta fit it. And normally these legs would be tied up, so that's where this is gonna go. And so what I'm doing is just gonna kind of place it on here, and then create just like that. And then and just like tuck those little guys back under there. So now that it's all kind of fitted, just take that off, set it aside, and then we'll put that back on once we've basically crispied up the outside. So that's the first 500 degrees for like 20 to 30 minutes. We'll put that on and then we'll drop it down. So there it is. Okay, so I managed to take, I didn't have anything like stuff in the cavity, so I basically just stuffed the neck back in there so that it at least gives it a little bit of, kind of opens it up a bit more. So anyways, that's our solution so far, but guess what? Oven is ready. Oven is at 500 degrees. So we're going to go ahead, woo, yeah, that's hot. Pop this bad boy in here. There we go. All right. I'm gonna get a shot of it. Here, just get a shot of it.
Here it is.
All right. So now.
All you do for 20 minutes.
Yeah, so let's start with 20 minutes. We'll take a look at it.
See how it is.
Yeah, we'll see just how brown it is. Basically, really all we're trying to do is just get it nice and like brown and crispified up on the outside. It's hard to say.
Crispified?
Crispy. Crispy, nice and crispy on the outside. And then we'll drop that temperature down to 350. So, and put the breastplate on. So there it is. So now we just wait for 20 minutes, crack open a beer, have some barbecue potato chips. Apparently that's what we're having.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Or we can start working on get our sides ready to go. So, I mean, we're not doing a whole lot for sides today. So, basically tater tots and green beans and veggies. So, because it's just the two of us, and we're in a like foreign place, basically.
Foreign?
Well, it's foreign to us, the location. Like we don't have a house anymore. So, here's a reality check for if you decide to go and become a digital nomad or location independent, or just perpetual travelers, is you don't have thermometers and
or twine,
and so you might not have all the little things that you're used to having when it comes to cooking holiday feasts, nor do you have the feast. So in this case,
yeah.
I mean, I'm sure if we were somewhere else, it would be different. You know, there'd be a group of people that we could commune with, but this year, not so much. So, that's it for now. What? What? You think I got a chip on my shoulder?
Why are you such a dork? Oh my gosh.
Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes. You take a look at how golden that is. That's what we want. So now it's time for the breastplate. Okay, so breastplate's on. So we're gonna put this back in. So bird's back in. So now we're just going to go ahead and 350 and start. That's it. And then we're gonna go probably, I'm guessing on this, so I'm thinking we'll just do we'll do 55 minutes. Oops. There we go. And we'll check on it and see how it's looking. But it might not even need that because it is pretty small.
Hey guys, we wanted to take a minute to thank you for watching. If you are finding our videos helpful and entertaining, you can like this video. You can also share it and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. And you can also go and buy us a glass of wine or a beer. And that helps support our channel as well as producing content like this for you guys. You can do so at buymeacoffee.com/wanderinghearts.
Cheers. Back to it.
All right, so we're gonna see if this duck is ready. Poke it in the thigh. Learning surgery. It could go a little longer, I think. All right, so we're gonna let it go. We're gonna let it go a little longer because it's. I mean, it looks pretty good, but it's not. The juices aren't 100% clear, so. Okay, so it looks like I think it's good enough. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it, set it out, and let it sit for a little bit. It's gonna cook up a little bit more while we're doing that. In the meantime, we've got some green beans going, and I've also got some tots in here as well. I don't know if you can see. There is the turkey. Nope. There's the duck. And down there are the tater tots. It's kind of hard to see, but you have to trust me, they're tater tots. You'll see them later. There we go. Look at that. Behold, the amazing duck. Oh man, that looks so good.
Smells really good.
Oh, yeah. It smells absolutely amazing. Oh man, the tater tots are almost done. They should be done momentarily, and meantime we'll let that sit. And yeah. Okay, so before we get started on this, I wanted to show you just what it turned out like. There is our plate with the duck and the green beans and the tater tots. And this is what we have left of our duck currently.
So, oh my gosh, that's good. It's like stuffing in my mouth.
Oh man, this is so tasty. It's so delicious. And that skin, ooh. I apologize if you're a vegan, but this is good. You're missing out. You can follow our story on our blog and by subscribing to our channel and our socials. Thanks for watching.